What's going on, guys? It is Late Boy. Late Boy is back for the stream. What's going on, guys? Another day, another 37K. Bitcoin back down to that 37K range. All right? You guys should know now that I always go live at 6:31. Come on now. Or it's either 6:31 or 6:32, or it's 6:37 if I'm taking a big crap. You guys know this by now. Come on. Come on now. But normally we are on time. All right, guys, Bitcoin's back at 37K. Will we get a breakdown? It looks like Bitcoin could be breaking down here from a little bit of an ascending triangle pattern. On the short term, this is short-term stuff. We're going to take a look at that today. As always, guys, smack up that like button. Smack up the like button, and let's freaking get busy. All right, and subscribe if you guys are new as well. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. But anyways, Bitcoin could be breaking down right now. Could we be heading to... Right? Could we be heading to
Bitcoin's going to 10K?
Elvis? You guys say what happened to my hair? Listen, you guys don't like my hair? Like, come on now. I love my hair. My hair looks sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Why no hat today? Listen, man, you got to switch it up every now and then. You're looking fresh. I'm always looking fresh, man. I'm always looking fresh. But anyways, let's go watch paint dry, guys. Let's watch some paint dry again today, because that's what we do every single day on this channel. We watch paint dry. But looks like we could be breaking down from the support line that we had for BTC. Will that result in another move back down to the downside? All right? Will that move back to the downside? That is going to be the question. All right. We know our measure move, if this was to break to the downside, actually would put us right near our previous lows. We'd be looking at about $32,800 would be our measured move target if this was to go down and hit that price level. So that's what we're going to watch today. I hope we don't do it, right? I hope we don't do it, man. I really hope we don't do it. Look like a clean boy. You guys always say look like a choir boy or a Christian boy, but take that for what it will. So will Bitcoin get a move back down here? I know a lot of people will say, oh, if it does, will we get some type of double bottom? Really what I'm looking for is if Bitcoin does get a breakdown here, I'm looking for either a double bottom or for Bitcoin to make a higher low. I would definitely prefer a higher low here. If this scenario did play out, would definitely prefer a higher low, just to show some strength from the bulls, man. The bulls gotta come in here and show some strength, because I'll tell you guys right now, the Bears, the Bears, they're out here playing instruments. They're out here getting pumped right now, right? Look at this guy's ass. Look at his ass crack. Look at his bum crack. But anyways, they're out here playing instruments. They're out here literally having all the fun. Look at all these bears in the stands right here. I think this is Savvy's son. I think this is Savvy's son right here. But look at all these bears in the chat right here, or in the stands. Guys, the Bulls need to step up, and the Bulls need to start having some fun. I want to see some bull cracks, okay? I want to see some bull cracks. But anyways, that's sort of the scenario that we're watching right now. The Bears are still in control at the moment until Bitcoin can make a higher high on the really any time frame, right? I'm looking for a higher high on any time frame. More so, I mean, the daily and up. But right now, man. Right now, the Bears are definitely in control at the moment. I actually think I saw Jabba in the stands. Was that Jabba in the stands, guys? Hold on. Did I just see Jabba in the stands? What's going on here? What? Did I just see? I think I just saw him in the stands, man. Yeah! Go Bears! Let's go! Go Bears! Come on, man! Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Everyone, let's go. We're going to get another move to 30K. It's happening. Everyone, get your bear suits on. Zit, zit. Everyone zip your bear suits up. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. We did see, hold on, where is he? We did see, I did see Java in the stands. I was right, okay? I was right. I did see Java in the stands. We had Tex-Mex who said, you are laughing now, but 2 days ago, you were begging for 46 to 40, 50K BTC to take some profits that you haven't done so far. Facts. I mean, if you read my tweet somewhat closely, I did say that right now, right? The risk versus reward for me to sell is not, the risk reward is not there right now. But if Bitcoin did get a move up to, 46K, 50K, I might move some to stables, right? I did say that. But in this range right now, even though I do think Bitcoin could go lower, to me, the risk reward of selling at this point is not worth it. And even though we'll get to the longer term charts in a second, but obviously, short term is what we're kind of watching at the moment, because that could, at least in the short term, obviously could tell us where the short term market could go. But right now, we're watching this downtrend. If Bitcoin, we try to hold this previous support right here that we had a few days ago, that's also a level that we're watching here in the short term. Obviously, guys, we just can't hold above the 400 1-hour EMA and the 100 4-hour EMA. We just can't do it, guys. We said this the other day, like, until Bitcoin can get a 4-hour close above this level, it's just going to be like clockwork, guys. We got rejected again from that level, right? We got rejected from here. We got rejected on it here, right? We can kind of continue up here. This time, we actually did get a little bit of a fake out above and back tested it, but then we dropped right down below it. We can even go back in time right here. We just could not get back above it. And ever since we kind of topped out back in November, it's just been a consistent rejection from that level, other than one time where we got a little bit of a fake out above that level. But right now, I will say that it's just consistent rejection from this exponential moving average. And until we can confirm any type of uptrend above it, it just is what it is. It is what it is. John said the hairline looking like it's hitting an all-time high. Are we talking about a good all-time high or a bad all-time high? Let me know in the chat. Is the hairline hitting a good all-time high or a bad all-time high? I think it's hitting a good all-time high, and I don't care what you guys say, because it is what it is. It is what it is. And I know everyone's talking about PayPal getting absolutely crushed. We had PayPal get absolutely crushed. We had Facebook get absolutely crushed, right? We see some stocks get absolutely destroyed, man. Hairline looking bearish. Come on now. Come on, man. The hairline looking fresh. Bad all-time high. Listen, man. Listen. It looks fresh. Someone said, at least he's got hair. Facts. At least I got hair at the moment, man. We'll see. You already know, even if I go bald, guys, I'm going to look sexy. I'm going to look very, very sexy, even if I go bald. So I've already came to the conclusion of this. So no matter what it looks like, I'm going to be sitting here looking fresh. I mean, it is what it is. But anyways, let's jump on to some other things. One thing that could give us a little bit of a clue, okay? And this is something I do want to touch on here. That, there's some people looking at this, but listen, man, if we look at the ETH Bitcoin ratio, and what we could take from this is this, all right? And this is just speculation, guys. Everything right now, hold on, guys. I need to make this clear, okay? I need to make this clear.
Rant alert.
Every type of analysis on the charts right now is completely subjective and just opinions. And really, at the moment, there's so much going on in the world right now that a lot of this stuff is, we're trying to find some type of clue what could happen. But in reality, does anyone really know based off the charts right now? Absolutely not, right? Absolutely not. Nada. Not Carl, not BitBoy, not George, not Bitcoin backer, okay? Not Savvy, not doo-doo, shoo-doo, kudu, boo-doo, sudu, kudu, chudu, woodoo, okay? And definitely not kudu, all right? But we're going to look at it anyway, all right? No one knows what is going to happen, all right? Not anyone. I don't care what anyone says. No one knows. It's all a guess. Everyone's been right at some point. Everyone's been wrong at some point, all right? So anyways, Dale knows. True. The only thing that matters is the long-term charts. We're going to take a look at long-term charts, and at the end of the day, we got to have patience here, man. We got to have patience. We got to sort of weather the storm, right? These are the times where it's so boring, man. And I'm with you guys. Like, I'm going to sit here and say, like, it's the market right now is so freaking boring. But these are the times where we sort of have to sit back and say, all right, we know the market's boring, but we know at some point it's going to turn, right? So we have to have patience. We have to, I know it's overblown. We have to have patience in time like this because the market makers are going to use these times to just get you so freaking bored. They're going to get you to turn into that meme that's like, he sold, pump it. And you're going to go, ah! Or it could be the opposite. You FOMO in, Bitcoin has an $1,000 move, and Bitcoin, he bought, dump it. And you're going to go, ah! Right? One of the two is going to happen. But you got to have patience. Whatever position you're in, you got to have patience at the moment. Because right now, to me, it's really 50-50 on which way Bitcoin can go. I have never felt the way that I have right now. I'm usually pretty decisive on which way I think Bitcoin's going to go. But I'd say right now, I am pretty indecisive, man. I am pretty indecisive. It really could go up or down. And I know that's not useful. I'm just being obvious. I'm just being, not obvious. I guess I am being obvious. I'm just being honest. To me, it's really 50-50 at this point. But new top bar on top is missing your Bybit link. Exactly. Maybe I do have to put the Bybit link on there. Should I put the Bybit link on there? Yes or no, guys? Bybit link in the top banner. Yes or no in the chat. Let me know if you like the new top banner. I like the little MVP guys up there. I see Clint. I see Sir Dude. Sir Dude made his way in there today. And we got Jay On, which I think is the Super Doge guy. I think the Super Doge guy is up there. But anyways, let's real quick look at the ETH Bitcoin ratio real quick. Why is Camirand coming up? What the heck, man? What is this thing all jacked up, bro? This thing's all kind of jacked up. Jordan! Wake me up when the bull market starts again. This stuff is so boring. I'm not watching your stream. This is so boring. Meatloaf. Mountain Dew. Melissa. It's so true, man. But anyways, the ETH Bitcoin ratio. So one thing I will say is Ethereum is coming back down on the Bitcoin ratio to test that previous support level. So you guys can see that right here, right? There's just two lines that we're going to take a look at today. And this could be a sign, right? And what I normally want to look at this is as far as when Ethereum outpaces Bitcoin, it usually means, okay? It usually means that... It usually means that the altcoin, when the altcoins in general outpace Bitcoin, it usually means that the market's going up, right? So what we can look at this as far as, we're bouncing off a support line for Ethereum Bitcoin ratio, right? So you guys can see here, we have one touch on the bottom, we have two touches on the bottom, we have three touches on the bottom of this teal line. And you can see we just got to bounce off that support line. The question is, and here's the big question I have, is this going to lead to a rally in general for crypto, right? I mean, last couple times, you guys can see we bottomed here right at the bottom in July. Obviously, that led to a rally till September, and then Bitcoin dumped. And then in October, we started going up again. So you can see that when ETH Bitcoin ratio goes up, it generally means that the market's going up. So will we get another move to the upside after each time we have done this? We have gotten a relative move to the upside in general in crypto, right? So one thing I think we need to watch here is, are we going to break trend on the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio? You guys know we have right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, right? 4 touches on this top trend line. And then you guys can see we flip that as support really in 2021, right? We have 1 flip of support, 2 flip of support, and we actually just broke that trend line for really the first time in a long time, right? We broke that trend line. So here's the question. Is this going to flip into resistance, right? and then we're going to get a massive move back down to the downside? Or is this going to be able to break? If this breaks, could be a sign that, obviously the market moves up. So this is a pretty critical level, if we're just taking, the thesis that if this moves to the upside, we'll see that altcoins will perform pretty well, which usually means the market performs well in general. Or will this reject, right? Or this will reject. And this could be I want to say a critical week, because we got to say every week is critical. In theory, we say every single week is critical. But if this gets rejected here and moves back down, that could spell a pretty ugly time in the market, right? That could spell a pretty ugly time. So keep that in mind, right? Keep that in mind. But I think this is something that we should watch over the next couple weeks to see if we can get over that level. Because really, when ETH outpaces Bitcoin, it usually means that the market is pretty healthy. I guess you should say healthily going up. So we'll watch that over the course of the next couple of days to weeks and see if we can break this trend again, or if we'll get rejected and move back down. That's sort of what I'm watching there on the ETH Bitcoin ratio. As far as Bitcoin in the short term, we're just chilling here at 36.9. Are we really surprised, right? We seem to do this every single time. Do I have a job interview? Listen, man. Do I have a job interview right now? No, man. This is the athletic shirt. This is the athletic shirt, man. You guys can see right here. Athletic shirt, right? This ain't no collared shirt, man. This is an athletic shirt. You're just jealous because you don't have one of these. You don't have one of these, man. Why does your head look strange today? My head looks strange? I don't know. Everyone says my head looks strange today. He dyed his hair. Bro. Oh, man. I do kind of look different. Holy moly. I look like I kind of look like an alien. I kind of look like I have some of Vitalik's genes. This is weird, man. I kind of look like Vitalik a little bit. Like his head. Don't I? Don't I kind of look like Vitalik, guys? Let me know in the chat. You might say no. You might say no. New filter. It could be a new filter too. You never know. You never freaking know. Let me move this over here. And let's get some Vitalik clapping. Let me know.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed.
I go from those four flies.
Clapping. Vitalik clapping.
Your Jordan filter is a little shady. Hell yeah, it's a little shady. Hell yeah, man. No, but anyways, if we move on here, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, still just in a range, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, we're still just in a range. We know this, okay? There's the mining rig. Listen, man, I need to figure out why this is... You're blurry for a month? Listen, man, why do you guys tell me these things? A few $1 billion, and then maybe you look like Vitalik. Facts. But anyways, we're still just stuck in a range, right? Between 40,500 and really 34,000. I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, is this any different if you go to the daily? Is this any different than, this? Right? I mean, every single time Bitcoin moves up, I mean, it can't even get back to its previous lows. I say this continuously, right? Every time we move up, all right, we have a previous low. We can't even make it up there, man. We can't even make it up there. This time too, right? We have our previous low. We try to get up. We can't even make it up there. Right here, we have our previous low. So far, we can't even make it up there, okay? We can't even make it up there. It's ridiculous. We got to hope at some point we do make it up there. But at the moment, it is what it is. It is what it is. At the moment, I mean, it's what it is. Now, our one saving grace could be, guys, and this is a little bit of hopium, so keep this in mind. This could be a little bit of hopium, all right? But if you look at this, we have obviously our downtrend resistance on the daily RSI. We know we broke that, and we know every single time we've done that in the past, we've gone on to have a significant rally. Not every single time, but at least the last 2 times we break in that. Okay. We sort of, And we sort of went on to have a significant rally. We did it right here, and we did it right here. Last 2 times we break the daily RSI resistance. We know we did that right here, all right? Now we're obviously getting a red day. Our saving grace, or the hopium, as I should say, right? I'm trying to give a little bit of hopium, okay? A little bit of hopium. But if you look at this, this could just be a back test. And that's really, 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 really what we're hoping for. We're hoping this is just turning into a back test of the previous resistance, flipping into support in the RSI, and then moving back up. That's really our saving grace right now. Am I too confident on us being that saving grace? Well, I don't know if I'm too confident, right? I mean, this is sort of some elementary TA. I mean, we normally do elementary TA, right? This is some TA that we sort of see. My name is Carl. Welcome to the moon. Hey guys, it's Carl. Welcome to the moon today. Today we're going to talk about some Bitcoin analysis. Guys, we're going to just quickly look at our Bitcoin analysis today. So the only thing I'm going to talk about today is Bitcoin looks like it's breaking down from an ascending triangle pattern, guys. So I just put in a massive short position, short position over on Bybit. Make sure you guys use my $4,000 bonus over on Bybit. You guys can find that in the description below. I'm putting a $1 million short all the way down to the $33,000 level. All we have to do is take our measure move from top to bottom and put that down here. I'm putting a short position. I do think Bitcoin is going to break down there. And that's the whole video today, guys. A nice 2-minute update on Bitcoin. Now for the next 3 minutes, we're going to talk about Costa and my Bybit link. Make sure you guys check out my Bybit link right down below. All right, it's there. All right, Bybit. Right, you guys know about Bybit. Go check it out below. Bybit, 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 Bybit. Carl! Shut the heck up! We know you like Bybit. We know you like Costa. Shut the hell up, man. I'm so sick of hearing about freaking Bybit. That's all we hear about on your damn channel, all right? Bybit, 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 Bybit. What the hell is this? Are we even going to do any TA? Are we even going to do anything? This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm done watching this channel. I'm done. We know. But listen, man. Going back to what we were talking about before. I know it's some elementary TA, but at the end of the day, all right? At the end of the day, sort of let's see if this can hold and move us back up. I mean, that's really one of our. I don't mean to say saving grace. I don't want to be like super negative here, right? I'm trying to stay positive. I've been telling you this, guys. I'm trying to stay positive. I really am. It puts me between a rock and a hard place because I want to stay positive, but I'm bearish. So it's like I guess I can stay realistic short term. I'm still a moon boy though, right? I'm still a moon boy. I am a moon boy, and I'm one of the only people that will admit that I'm a moon boy for long term. But short term, guys, I will say once again, I kept saying it, if Bitcoin can't break this 40.5K level, it still could, right? We still could bounce and get a higher low and bounce back up. But until we do, it's just another stair step down to the deep depths of the crypto abyss, right? Stair step, bonk, stair step, bonk, stair step, bonk, stair step, bonk. Right? I mean, it's just another stair step into the crypto abyss. Every time we get that stair step, everyone flips bullish. Okay? Everyone gets super bullish every time we get that little move to the upside. Okay? You can see it everywhere on Twitter. You can see it everywhere. Everywhere. But until we break that previous swing low on any move, we can talk about any move. If we do drop to this 30K level, okay, for instance, what I want to see then is a break of 35K, okay? If we break 35K, awesome. We made a higher high. We're off to the races. But, if we drop down here again and we get rejected here again, I mean, it's just a stair step down into the crypto abyss. That's really all it is, man. Just a stair step into the crypto abyss, as Crypto Kirby would say. Over on Twitter. But Brian said, your humor and your ability is classic. The hairline jokes. I'm older, bro, and tune in for the humor. I watch the other fellows, but you're hilarious. Keep it up, and thank you. Thank you, man. I try to have fun, especially in times like this. I'll always say that, man. That's what we try to do here. We try to have a little fun, because other than that, man, if you don't have fun, man, it's freaking boring, bro. It's freaking boring. Twitter, you from Boston? I am from Boston. Real quick. I know Sir Dude was in here showing support of the channel. Hold on. Let me see what Sir Dude's saying in here. 100-202 with the super chat. Thank you, my friend. I don't know if that was a super sticker or anything, but I appreciate that, my man. Sir Dude said, oof, hairline looking bearish. Yes. I disagree. I think it's looking fresh today, but that's just me. Sir Dude said, next week, this channel brought to you by Rogaine. Listen, I would. There's probably a lot of people in here that don't have hair. There's probably a lot of people in here that don't have hair. So I feel lucky that I do. I really do. I'm from Boston. Go get my car keys. No, I didn't say khakis. Go get my car keys. New bar on top is missing your Bybit link. Facts. Stumbledore said, hi, Jordan. I just wanted to remind you to let us know when you're going to scroll up. Oh, I'm gonna go scroll up. Hi, guys. Hold on real quick. I'm gonna go scroll up. I'm gonna go scroll up. I love that. Michael said, Jordan is wearing his athletic shirt for his hot date with Wendy O. Listen, man. I got no hot date with Wendy O, okay? I got no hot date with Wendy O. All right? Listen, man. Hair is overrated. It is. I only got one hot date, man. I got one hot date at the moment. Okay? One hot date. Sir Dude said, you borrowing shirts from Jabba now? Listen. Sir Dude's trolling me today. Listen, I'm all about the trolls. I love the trolls. I am a troll. I will say that, man. I am a troll. So if you want to troll me, listen. I'll troll you right back, Sir Dude. Fortunately, I can't. I don't know if I can troll you with anything at the moment, man. I'd love to troll you back, but there's nothing that I can. There's nothing that I can troll you about at the moment, man. You know. Someone said George. George is my lover. Yeah, it's savvy. It's savvy, man. I don't want to fall asleep because I miss Savvy. And I don't want to miss a bear. The sweetest thing I'll ever eat is sharing that honey with Savvy. The Bear Show on YouTube. Facts. Let's see. Kim, I have no idea what that means. Kim, I have no idea what that means. Is your girlfriend a John Hamm fan? Hair is distracting. You guys are bearish on the hair today. Oh, man, bro. Listen. Here's what I'll say. All right, moving on. The weekly time frame. Are we still looking what bullish on the weekly? I mean, the weekly's the weekly right now. I mean, the weekly's just in a downtrend. It's hard to really say anything bullish about the weekly. Besides the fact that, you know, if we go to some of the indicators here, I mean, they might be showing a short-term bottom, but I've continuously said this, right? I've continuously said this for Bitcoin. Even though we might not be at the lows at the moment, I do think we're getting relatively close, right? So everyone buckle up, everyone strap on, everyone strap on and get ready. We could be ready. We could be close to the relative bottom. I do think we are. Maybe we might not be at it right now. Okay, we could go a little bit lower, but what I will say is, we just got to build some more momentum. It comes down to just building more momentum. Listen, I mean, the stock market went up today and Bitcoin pooped. Bitcoin pooped the bed today. And it was a pretty decent day for the stock market, right? But like I said, listen, we were in that back in the Ichimoku cloud in the weekly Bollinger Bands. We got a relative bounce off of, but it's not really holding up. It's not really holding up. And also, you can see right here that, you know, obviously the MACD trying to build some momentum. If we go lower on the weekly, that's going to nullify that, though, right? So this is why, at the moment, as far as macro, man, I am just 50-50. I have no freaking clue where Bitcoin's going to go. I have no clue. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Is Bitcoin doing something? Holy moly! Bitcoin's doing something. Holy moly! This is ridiculous. Bitcoin never does anything on stream. This is ridiculous. I'm sick of this. I'm so sick of this, guys. Like, why won't Bitcoin do something on stream? Like, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? It's so dumb. I come on here every day and I watch paint dry. I can't even take myself seriously like that. I can't even take myself seriously like that. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. It's just not me. Anyways, total market cap, crypto sad boy. Is total market cap going to continue the stair step down too? Right? I mean, it's guys, I mean, there's only so much stuff we can say, right? There's only so much stuff we can say. Drew said, I don't like that face. I don't like that face. Listen, man, total market cap. Comes back up. Comes back up.
Nope.
Comes back up.
Bruh.
Comes back up. What's next? What's next? Right? I mean, it's really just a little move up, move down. It's really the same thing over and over again, man. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It's the same thing over and over and over again. Now, at some point, it's not going to be. But, I mean, you got to respect the trend to the end. It's the same thing. It really is. It's nothing is different. Every one of these bounces is the same exact thing on total market cap, man. And if the same thing happens and we get rejected here again, which has happened every single time, mind you, okay? I mean, the next support is all the way back down at our summer lows for total, right? So, listen, man. I mean, we got to take it for what it is. If that happened, that'd be another 28% dip for total. I mean, that's a pretty solid move. Could that happen? Absolutely. I mean, I'm not going to rule it out. It definitely could happen, and Bitcoin's not really showing the strength that we wanted to see. But then the Bank of Canada guy. And listen, the Bank of Canada guy might be right. The Bank of Canada guy might be right. Let me actually see. Let me actually see if I can find the Bank of Canada guy right here. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Bank of Canada guy. I can't do that. I can't do that, man. There's no way. I can't do that. That's going to be brutal, man. Hold on. Let's see. What else we got here?
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Look at the ear. Look at how big the ear is, man. Holy moly, it looks like a drum. It looks like a drum. That is brutal, bro. The Bank of Canada guy. But yeah, man, I mean, listen, Bank of Canada guy has been right. Bitcoin is clearly a scam, and we have nowhere to go. We have nowhere to go. Now, Total 3 is the same story. Now, what I'll say about the Total 3, Monkey Boy. You know what's funny? Actually, people used to say that my ears look like monkey ears. Luckily, my head grew into my ears, but I used to be called, I was not used to be called a monkey, but actually, no, what it was? It wasn't a monkey. People used to say I used to have Dumbo ears, okay? I literally used to have Dumbo ears. You guys know Dumbo. You guys know the Disney show. Dude, my ears used to flap in the wind. Like, listen, I was a big basketball player when I was young. Listen, man, when I was young. I'm old now. I used to fly around and they used to be flapping everywhere. I'm not even kidding. They used to flap a little bit. Like, I was the only person's ears that flapped. I'm not kidding. Like, they literally they literally flapped in the wind. It was brutal, man. But let's go to Total 3. Total 3 market cap. All right. Listen, man. I mean, the Total 3 market cap is just. I mean, this looks just like a Total 3 is basically excluding Bitcoin and ETH. Okay. It just looks like a big head and shoulders, right? You have a left shoulder, you had a head, and you had a right shoulder. All right. Little Jimmy. BCH, I lost Jimmy, man. Jimmy is gone. Gone like the wind, bullseye. Is this an ear rant? No. But listen, I mean, this looks just like a big head and shoulders pattern that broke to the downside. And listen, at the end of the day, I will say that, I mean, we try to get back above, but we're having a little bit of struggle right now. We're kind of just sitting between our support and our resistance, just in a range, right? But if we look and we actually come back down and we actually put it at our measured move to the downside, right? That puts our measured move back down at 476 billion, slightly above the previous lows. But I mean, listen, I mean, if we drop down here, would I be surprised if we touch the lows? Not necessary, or I should say yes, or no. What am I saying? No, I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised whatsoever if that was the case. But yeah, I mean, listen, Total 3, until we break this range right here, remains to be a question mark. I actually want to zoom in real quick because I'm curious if this has some type of support line that we want to hold. It's coming up on that right now, so this could get kind of interesting. This could get a little interesting here. We're right at that relative support line, I'd say, on this. If this breaks, I mean, this could also be a sign of maybe another move down, possibly. So keep that in mind. I mean, it's kind of the same thing as BTC at the moment. You know, BTC looks like it just got a 4-hour close below. and listen, I mean, I want to be bullish right now, guys. I really do. I hate being bearish. I hate sounding like Savvy, man. You guys are probably like this. Like, you probably think I'm turning into Savvy. Oh! No! 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 Ah! 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 So dumb, man. Ah! No! 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 I'm Savvy? Why am I looking for Elliott waves? I'm looking for Elliott wave patterns for some reason. Why? Why is my hand moving like this? Why is my hand moving like this? No. No. A 5 wave? No. Why am I looking at 8K price targets? No. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? No. No. Oh, man. Looking for price targets. I feel like I'm turning into Savvy, man. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous, man. I hate this. I hate this, man. It sounds so negative, even though I'm not negative. It sounds so negative. It sucks. It sucks. It really does. It really does. But one day, we will be, we'll be back. One day we'll be back bullish, guys. I promise. Well, I don't know if I can't promise, but you know, it's pretty good history of us being bullish again. So keep that in mind. What's up, Wes? Everyone, say hi to Wes. I'm so happy my guy Wes is back. Let's go, baby. moving. Oh, man. Look at alts, man. Look at alts. Everyone say hi. Everyone say hi to Wes. Welcome back, brother. He's shorting as we speak. Facts. He said, "Who the f is Wes?" He said, "Who's Wes?" Sir said, "Can we just adjust the lines to be more bullish? That's the quality tea I am here for." Listen, I'm the same way. I'm the same way, but I gotta stick to the charts. I gotta stick to the charts. All right, let's see what else we got here. So the daily close. Did we look at the daily close? We didn't look at the daily close. We closed at. Let's see. We closed at right around 36,800. So a pretty bearish close. Pretty bearish. We're bearish. Guys, keep hitting up that like button, by the way. Smack that like button to an all-time high. Smack it, smack it, smack it. Smack it. Photo Geek said, "Stop slurping." Listen, Photo Geek. Okay? I can't say anything about your avatar. My go-to is trolling people about their avatars. But there's not really I can say about anything about yours, man. I apologize. I wish I could say something, but right now I really can't. I really can't say crap. Freedom A Free said, "Jordan, thanks for keeping me laughing." I try, man. I try my best. It's what I try to do, man. You know, that's what I try to do. I mean, in reality. But yeah, man. Altcoins not doing crap. What I will say is that the S&P still continuing up. Now, will this continue? I mean, we saw some pretty big things today. I mean, we saw, if you guys look here, PayPal dumped 25%. We also had Facebook. You guys can see, I mean, Bitcoin price dives with stocks. And I don't know if that's really accurate because the S&P went up and I think the NASDAQ went up as well. So that's not totally accurate. PayPal dumped 25%. Facebook dumped 25% based off their earnings and their users. Listen, man, some pretty big moves to the downside on some stocks today. People just panicking. I am tempted to actually buy some of those dips, man. I'm tempted to buy that 25% dip on PayPal and that 25% dip on Facebook. Very tempted on that. If things fall that fast, they usually pop back up a little bit. It's crazy, man. That's absolutely crazy. Love the quality improvements, bro. Thank you, man. I have a lot of things coming today. I worked on a lot of stuff. I worked on a lot of stuff today. Facebook sucks. Meta. A lot of people hate Facebook, right? All right, anyways. We can look at a few altcoins. I know there's not too much going on right now, guys. I mean, Bitcoin... here's the thing, is at least in the short term, right? I was looking at a possible bullish divergence on the 4-hour. It just didn't play out, right? You got lower lows and lower lows on the price action and on the RSI on the 4-hour. Originally, we had a little bullish div, but it didn't play out, man. It didn't play out when Bitcoin just plunged even further back into the crypto abyss. So, right now, I mean, there's not much. We're starting to see if Bitcoin can hold this support right here. I mean, that's really it. That is really it at the moment. I would say that the momentum, hourly momentum's bottomed out. Can we see a quick move to the upside? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if, maybe we get a quick move to the upside here, back test this, right? Try to get back into it, right? Kind of like how we did here, where we actually broke below it, but then we got back into it. Will we come up and back test this and have a continuation down? That's going to be the question, right? That's going to be the ultimate question. Bank of Canada guy won. I would buy PayPal. Nice. Let's see. Oh, we got there's a good amount of people in here, I would say. Generally quiet though, man. It's quiet. Guys, by the way, I might be doing a new schedule, okay? New schedule might be coming out, right? So this might be the new schedule. It's not final just yet, but I'll let you know. So you guys know I really haven't been doing morning streams. And I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different than the morning stream. So my plan on this is from Monday to Thursday. I'm probably going to be doing streams in the morning, but there'll be members-only chats where I can just look at things that the members want to talk about or want to do that Monday to Thursday in the morning. And then obviously night streams will be the same. And I may be taking, since the market's so dead, man, I may be taking Saturday nights off, right? So Saturday nights off, but I'm also going to do Monday to Thursday streams in the mornings. So that's probably going to be the plan. And then also, I'm probably going to be coming out for members only. I wanted to start doing more stuff. For members, I might be coming out with like a weekly video for members as well. So I'll keep you guys updated on that as well. And then we might also be bringing back the Crypto Madness tournaments, okay? The Crypto Madness tournaments, which we'll do probably for members only too. So I wanted to start doing more stuff for the members because you guys are awesome. So I might be bringing back the Crypto Madness tournaments. I do like those. I like those myself. I know a lot of people like those. Cricket said you got to move your game to the next level. Facts. Facts. No time off. Man, listen. I think having one day off is pretty good. I think one day off is pretty good in the grand scheme of things. Sounds great. Cool. So that's probably going to be the schedule. I'll probably be starting that tomorrow, all right, Thursday. And then obviously going to next week. That should be the schedule. All right. But anyways, let's see. What else can we? I mean, listen. Right now, new schedule at McDee's. Yep, I gotta. The reason why I'm not gonna stream on Saturdays is because of this reason right here. I have to work for a full 20-hour shift on Saturday just to get my 20 hours in on McDubs. So 20-hour shift on Saturdays. We're actually going to do 4 a.m. to midnight on Saturday, right? So keep that in mind. Take Friday nights off. You and George could go out. Probably. But yeah, 20-hour shifts on McDonald's for Mondays. Or on Saturdays so I can buy the dip. That's what's really going down here. Marco said, what do you think about Zoom? What do I think about Zoom? Stay random. What do you think about Zoom? Is Zoom a crypto? Is Zoom a crypto? I have no idea if it is. Hold up. Zoom. Let's see what's going down with Zoom. Holy majoli. R.I.P., man. R.I.P. What's going down? Holy man. Oh! Oh! My God, what happened? Holy majoli. R.I.P. Listen, this is one of those things you look at it and you just go, holy majoli. Like, this is never popping back. This is probably never popping back, guys. I will say, R.I.P., man. I'm not even going to play the dumb song. This doesn't even deserve the pump song. This is just annihilated into the deep, deep depths of the crypto abyss. And it's not showing any momentum to the upside. I mean, this thing is dead. R.I.P., man. Listen, it's dead for now. I mean, when the crypto market starts going back up, it may come back up, but down 70%. I mean, that's came out at a bad time, I would say. But that's pretty brutal, man. That's pretty brutal. See the IDEX chart? Probably not the IDEX chart, man. Who is that? IDEX? Is IDEX pretty bad too? Let's check IDEX. IDEX. Holy majoli! Holy majoli, IDEX. There you go. At least something's going up. At least something's going up. I mean, do any of you guys own IDEX? Who owns IDEX in the chat? Let me know. Let me know in the chat who owns IDEX. Got about 190% pump in the last 3 days. Right now, it's still up 150%. I know Drew will come in and say, I'm shorting that. You know, Drew's going to come in and say, you already know, I'm going to short that. That's an easy short. This is going back down. That's an easy short. My name's Drew. My name's Drew. I'm going to short that. Right, Jabba? Yeah, that's an easy short. Me and Savvy are about to short this. Oh, Jordan too, because Jordan's a bear now too. We're just a big bear family. We're a big bear family. We're so cuddly. Oh, yeah, we're all going to short this. Get ready, guys. I'm going to buy 2 more pairs of shoes. I can't wait. I love shoes. I love Melissa too. I love Melissa. No, but listen. Let's see where this is going to come to. Swing low to swing high. We came up to the 0.5. Do we have a little bit more momentum here? Listen, I think this could have a little bit more momentum. Let's actually check the RSI because I'm assuming that's going to be pretty burnt out. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, the daily's a little getting burnt out there. 4 hour, yeah, I mean, 4 hours burnt. Burnt like some fries that I cooked. Burnt. Like I cooked some fries. But yeah, listen, I mean, 4 hours going up a little bit. But man, I mean, at the time, this is probably, I would say that you're probably not gonna. I don't know if you're gonna have the juice to break the 0.5. And the question is, I don't know if you got this was news based. I didn't see anything. If this was news based, obviously it can continue up. But as far as just looking at some of these RSI levels, at least on the 4 hour and daily, might be burnt out here in the short term. May have a quick pullback before continuing up. But IDEX, I will say, at least something's moving up for y'all. At least something is moving up for y'all at the time. Old news. Iguana. What? What does that even mean? Michael said, Jordan. Oh, I read your name as Michael Jordan, so I thought we had Michael Jordan in the chat. Because it said Michael and he said Jordan. Jordan, my kid has more hair than you, and she isn't even born yet. Your guys' hair jokes are great today. Absolutely. I love the hair jokes, man. I love them. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Okay? You guys are just jealous. You guys are just jealous. Let me know. I'll tell you right now. Your girlfriend will love my hair. Your wife would love my hair, man. Just saying, bro. Come at me with the hair jokes, man. Bob gonna do a top mover hunting. What does that even mean, man? A top mover hunting? What does that even mean? Oh, top mover? We could check out top movers, sir, dude. For sure, man. Half people here got pubic hair. Oh, man. Yasin said, what are your thoughts about Mina Protocol? Mina Protocol? You can check out Mina. Bob wants to do top mover hunting. We certainly can do that. I mean, that's something definitely we can do during times like this. What is Bob going to do over here? That's harassment. That's harassment, man. All right, anyways, where's Bob? Here he is. Let's go look at some top movers today. I love the top movers. Let's see if we have any good, where are they? Here we go. I hate CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap sucks. CoinMarketCap is the worst. Let's see. Pape? No. I'm not Pape. I only like when Melissa calls me Pape. Pape. Huh, Melissa? You like when you call me Pape? Yeah, baby. Jabba doesn't even know you're down here right now. Shh. Jabba doesn't even know you're down here right now. Don't call me that right now, okay? Don't call me. I hope he's not watching the stream. Ninja Floki. Holy zeros! Holy moly! Holy moly! Come here, Melissa. Come here, baby. Look at all those zeros. I'm about to FOMO into Ninja Floki. 301%. Ninja Floki. Look at all the zeros. This is great. I'm going to FOMO into this right now. Look at the avatar. It's a ninja. Yeah. I can't do it today. But yeah, listen. We got Flokies. Why are Flokies popping off, man? We got Valentine Floki, Ninja Floki. Everything's going off right now. All the Flokies. Dookie Floki, Chuki Floki, Kooky Floki, Suki Floki. All right, what are you guys saying in here? Polyswarm, Zoom. Check out Zoom. Go check out Zoom. Jen said sativa or indica. Ooh. Man, listen, I'm not. I don't do that stuff. I don't do that stuff anymore. Okay. To me, does it matter? No, it doesn't matter at all. Get a few drinks of me. Someone's got a little something, something. Someone's got a little something. Then, hey, I'll take it. It doesn't matter what it is to me. I'll take whatever. I don't really do that stuff anymore though. I try not to. If I'm in like a social setting and there's people that are chilling and smoking and stuff, then I'll do it, right? I'll do it, but I'm not the type of person who's gonna go out and buy it myself now, right? I'm not gonna go to the store and buy it or find some random dude on the street. I can't do that. I'm not gonna find some random dude on the street. You know what I mean? Who's gonna have some, right? I'm not gonna go, yo, dude, you packing? Yeah, I am. What you want? What you want? You want some? You want some? I got some for you. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for, man? I got all the good stuff. I got all the good stuff. What you trying to get, bro? What you trying to get? Just the normal stuff? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna continue with that. But anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna go out of my way to get it myself now anymore. Christian, the Christian can partake too. He can. Facts. Let's see. Whoa! We're not a... All right, let's see. What do you think about Polyswarm? Is Polyswarm moving? I gotta hope we got some moon in action going on here. Let's take a look at Polyswarm. Let's see. Oh, guys, what are these charts you're looking at? Telling me to look at right now. Come on, man. What is this? What is this? This is ridiculous, bro. I mean, listen, I guess on this, you are coming up to a support level, right? So, right here, you got previous support, right? Previous support, and now you're at that support level too. If this breaks, man, let me tell you. Let me tell you. This could be the end. This could be the end of Polyswarm. No, but in reality, I mean, this does have a little bit more room to run down if it wants to on the 4 hour. It just keeps making lower highs while we're testing the same type of support. Listen, man. I'm not going to say this looks bullish. I wouldn't say this. But, wait. If this breaks, though, I mean, Goblin Town could be coming. Let me tell you right now. And if we look at, maybe a target we could have if we went into Goblin Town. Let's see. 1.618 to the downside, 2.6. Could be brutal. Could be really, really brutal. Really, really brutal. Dale said, huh? Mina protocol. We can do Mina protocol, you saw. Mina protocol. What the heck is going on with Mina? Let's see. Let's zoom out to the daily on this one. Oh, God, man. I bring up all these altcoin charts, and I'm just shocked every time I bring up these altcoin charts. I'm literally just shocked. Jen. So, Jen. Here's the deal. Here's the deal with Mina, man. I mean, I should say girl. I shouldn't say man. I always accidentally call girls man and dude. Just the way I talk, man. There, I did it again. There it is. It's just the way I talk. I love saying man. I love saying dude. Okay? And it's just a habit, right? Do you guys say that? You guys do that too? You find yourselves calling people man and dude, or you talk if you're a chick, maybe you're talking to I guess that's kind of different. If you're a chick and you're calling a dude, you know, what's up, girl? That's probably a little different, I guess. What's up, girl? You wouldn't want that. If your chick is calling you a girl, you probably got more problems. You got more problems you have to deal with, I would say. If your chick's calling you a girl. But I always do that. I always do that. Mike said no. I do that. Nice. Nice. But no, listen, I mean, Mina came back down to the swing lows, and that's where you got rejected from. So, once again, I mean, you're at least on this chart that we have here, I mean, you don't really have any more data to look at. You're at your lows, right? And you're getting rejected off your lows. So, the thing is with this is you sort of have to, decide. Let me actually go to the 4 hour on this. Probably give us a little bit more data on here because that is really not telling us much. If you actually take these swings and you actually move them down, could be back testing previous resistance. But I mean, at the moment, will this hold? Right? Will this hold? You're gonna need Bitcoin to hold. Right? At the end of the day, let me actually check the 4 hour EMA ribbon. That's where you're back testing now too. So you can see right here is a pretty critical area. If this doesn't hold, could be coming back down to test the lows. But this is a very, very important area for multiple different reasons, right? Previous horizontal resistance, previous diagonal resistance, previous EMA ribbon support. That's big. If that breaks, I mean, you're definitely coming back down to test the lows, back down in this range, back down to 217. So keep an eye. If this holds, you're good, and it's just a previous resistance and support flip. But, short-term stuff, this is the guy to watch, I would say. At least right now. At least right now. A woman called me dude once. I was offended. You were offended? Tammy, we are not Karens here, okay? We are not Karens here. We are let's say this. We are Christian boys and girls. We're all Christian boys and girls here. Okay. We don't do naughty things. Okay. I'm not naughty. I am very, very Christian, guys. I am a very, very good boy. I do nothing naughty. Okay. I do everything by the book, and that's just the way that I am. Right. I do everything. I brush my teeth 5 times a day. Put a napkin on my lap. I actually do that. I actually do put a napkin on my lap when I eat. And some people make fun of me for that. But I think that's pretty normal. I am just a good Christian boy. Okay? Every button of the soundboard, please. I'm not going to do that. I'm definitely not going to do that.
Come get some safe, Moon Hat.
I'm a naughty Christian boy. A naughty Christian boy. I'm a stable boy. I'm a stable boy. I love it. I love it, man. I am a stable boy. That's great. That is great, dude. You're a good atheist, said Sam. A good atheist. What do you guys think I am? Do you guys think... All right. Let me ask you guys this. If I was to ask you guys honestly what you think I am, Do you think I'm atheist or do you think I'm Christian? Let me know in the chat. I unfortunately can't reveal my answer because for reasons. What do you guys think I am? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat what you believe that I am. Your grandma.
Jordan, how do I buy some Bitcoin?
It's a hint of why I can't say it. Okay. Hopium for Shiba. Ben Cowan dropping NFTs now. Yep, it's over, guys. You know we're in a bear market when Ben Cowan's dropping NFTs. You know. You 100% know. 100%. You know, I mean, all right, guys, you know we're in a bear market, okay? When George is bearish, okay? And George just swearing on his stream, and when Ben Cowan is making NFTs. That's how you know we're in a bear market at the moment. Facts. He's too realistic about things, so I say... Man. Scientologist? A Viking? No. No. All right. Is anything moving, dude? Is anything moving, at least on my list here? No? Come on, man. This is brutal. Anything moving here? Oh, come on, Coin Market Cap. You're going to do this again. They fixed it for like 2 days, and now it's all jacked up again. It's all kind of jacked up. Pump ETH. 99,000%. It's all kind of jacked up. Let's go back to the normal page. Is anything moving here? Anything we can look at? ICP. That's how you also know. When ICP's up 9%, that is also how you know. ICP is really up 9% right now. I can't believe it. Let's check it with my own eyes. Holy moly. I guess it was due for a bounce. I mean, this thing was getting crushed. It was due for a bounce. Nice bullish div. I mean, I won't be surprised if this comes up to the daily EMA ribbon and just gets rejected, though. To be honest. It got back above the 4-hour, so that's good. But listen, it was due for a bounce. I mean, this thing got absolutely crushed. It's probably just resetting this and probably going to roll back over. Unless Bitcoin can get any momentum, though. But yeah, I mean, this was due. You had lower lows, you had higher lows, and really, I mean, you were getting absolutely crushed. So you were due for a move back up. And that's exactly what you got. A nice move back up. Which is perfect. KCS. I got you, Lupus. Is KCS doing anything? Let's see. Let's see on KCS, on Qcoin. KCS is, let's check this out here. KCS. So Qcoin is also, it's also trying to move up here. Coming up on that daily EMA ribbon as well. Will that break? Check the weekly. Think about it like this, and a lot of altcoins that I do like are holding the weekly EMAs nicely, right? Just bounce off the weekly EMAs, which is quite beautiful if you ask me. KCS holding up pretty well here. I mean, comparative to other coins, I mean, this is not looking too shabby in the grand scheme of things. But, I mean, short term, listen, I mean, you're coming up on this. You don't have any bearish divergence, though. You got lower highs, and you got lower highs on both of these, on both the price action and the RSI. So that's good. 4-hour, let's zoom in a little bit. No bearish div, coming back down to test the previous high and the 4-hour EMA. So I like that. The question is, like so many of these coins, are you going to break back above the previous swing lows? So many have came up and tested, but just not been able to break, right? It's really right here. Can you break that swing low level, right? I mean, that's really it. And we've seen so many altcoins come up to their swing lows and just getting rejected. So if we can get back above that, Qcoin's going to be looking really good, but it's just a matter of can we break back above that. Structure's not bad, right? But let's see if we can get a little more momentum. We break this, like, these previous swing lows, it's going to be looking a lot better than it is now. A lot better. What's going on, Shard? Remember, for 7 months, man. That's crazy. Jordan looks like he works in a cubicle. Yo, you guys are such trolls tonight, man. You guys are such trolls. Everyone's just so bored and everyone's so bored and everyone's so how should I say this? Everyone's so salty. I would say salty. You guys see BitBoy going nuts on Twitter, bro? BitBoy is going absolutely nuts on Twitter. Like, it's crazy, dude. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy, man. Like, he's going absolutely nuts. He said, I will crush anyone that gets in my way. Any of you guys, there's so many people getting in my way, I'm going to crush everyone. I'm going to absolutely crush everyone that's getting in my way. So you better get out of my way. You better get out of my way. Look at this. Look at this guy on. Look at this guy on a keyboard warrior. This guy, I met him in real life. He didn't say anything, and he actually apologized to me. But now he's hiding behind his keyboard again. Okay, and that's actually good cover for him. Okay, it's ridiculous, man. You guys better get out of my way. You guys are idiots. You guys are such idiots, bro. Idiots. What else say to BitBoy? Okay, this is my message to BitBoy. Okay, I know sometimes BitBoy watches my stream. Here's my message to BitBoy. BitBoy, I am a fan of your channel. I love your video. I actually love your streams, man. A lot of people don't, but I actually do. They're super entertaining. I think you have people have the wrong idea about you. Okay, I'll say that. What I will say is though, bro, you gotta stop letting these people get under your skin, dude. You gotta. I'm gonna just be bluntly honest here. You gotta grow some thicker skin, man. Like you lashing out on these trolls is gonna make it worse. Okay, all it does is make it worse. Stop lashing out, right? I mean, man, you grow some thicker skin, dude. Like, listen, I'm not talking crap. I actually like you. But this is brutal, man. You like going off on Twitter. Oh, this guy. Oh, get out of my way. Oh, I'm going to crush everyone. All I can do is shake my head. All I can do is shake my head. That's all I can say. But dude, stop letting it get to you. Ignore the hate, man. Everyone has haters. The people that are most hated are the people that are most successful, okay? The people that are most hated are the people that are most successful. People hate on success. You're successful, and that is why people are hating on you. Stop letting it get to you, man. Grow some thicker skin. I'm being honest with you. I'm just being honest with you, all right? People hate people that are successful. It's just a matter of fact, okay? And that's why people hate you, all right? That's my message. John said, I actually like you also, Jordan. Thank you, man. Jordan sliding into BitBoy's DMs. At this point, I feel like he's got to. I feel like he's going to. I feel like he's probably doing it on purpose at this point, man. Polymath. All right, we can look at Polymath real quick. Polymath. Let's see. Christian boy. Conrad, thanks, man. We'll check it out. We'll check out your coin there. Balls. I hate Jordan. She am. You don't hate me, man. You don't hate me, man. You don't hate me, man. Chris said, bro, I feel if you were more serious with your vids, you would have more subs. Just being honest, not hating. Love your vids. I would. I absolutely would. I absolutely would have more subscribers if I was serious. But listen, man, I'm not doing the same thing as everyone else. I'm not going to sit here and be dry and look at the charts that are completely meaningless at the moment. And I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to be that guy, okay? Yeah, if I was serious every day, would I probably have more subscribers? Absolutely, but that wouldn't be fun to me, okay? This started as something that I have fun with. So if I sit here and be serious all day, I'm not going to have fun. I'm going to be bored out of my mind. I'm going to get burnt out, okay? And it won't be fun. And if it's not fun for me, it's not going to be fun for you. So I'm not going to sit here and be a robot, okay, and talk about meaningless altcoin TA at the moment, all right? I'm going to have fun with it because this was started out as something that I enjoyed doing. And if you don't enjoy what you do, especially as someone that doesn't have a boss at what they're doing, you're not going to do it, okay? You're just not going to do it. So take that for what you will. That dude needs to hush. But anyways, polymath. Let's see. Polymath. Let's see. Now is not the time to be serious. It's too painful. Yeah, I mean, there's time and place to be serious, too. Listen, I mean, there's a time and place to be serious. I would say right now is not the time to be serious, man. Because, listen, you can look at all the charts you want right now, but, I mean, the trend is... the trend at the moment is just... trend is down, man. The trend is down. But anyways, polymath. Downtrend of resistance. So we have this coming down. I mean, can we break this? That's the question for so many different altcoins. Okay? So many different altcoins. So, you're coming up to your swing lows. I will say it again, man. I will say it again. You can look at all the indicators you want to look at. To me, what's important right now is looking at the... what's important is you got to look at the support resistance levels. So we can look at the MACD. Oh, the MACD. Oh, Elliott wave theory. Oh, blue, 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 blue. Clue, 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 clue. Shuka, shuka, shoo. Puka, puka, poo. Right? We can look at the poo indicator, the P indicator, the hat indicator, the shoe indicator, the mouthwash indicator, the mouthwash indicator. We can look at the cord indicator. Okay? The pen indicator. All these indicators, okay? What it really comes down to at times like this is can you break your previous support and not flip it as resistance? I mean, that's really all it comes down to, man. Right? I mean, and that's why I can't watch other channels right now because they're still looking at MACD for the freaking altcoins. The MACD on altcoins does not matter. Okay? It does not matter. Right? Can you break back above the swing low? Or are you going to come back up and get rejected here like many other alts have already done? That's really all that matters at the moment. Until you break back above your swing lows, nothing else matters, okay? I'm tired of seeing MACD and RSI for... I'm tired of seeing all this stuff for altcoins, man. Altcoins, it's... Can you break trend? If you can't break trend, you're just going to be in the trend, okay? You're just going to be in the trend. Wait till the trend breaking. Wait till we get some momentum to the upside, and then a lot of those things will work, right? But you got to have Bitcoin behaving first. Bitcoin's got to behave. The MACD. The moon phases always work. Yep. Jason said DCA every day. Dude, the only strategy that works, man. I wouldn't say the only strategy that works. The only strategy that's going to work for people that don't really know what they're doing is a long-term strategy, man. You can try to time the tops and bottoms, based off listening to people on YouTube. But listen, the strategy that works is buying low and selling high. Do I think right now is a great time to buy some crypto? Absolutely.
Rant alert.
Absolutely. Love. It's a great time to buy some crypto. You might say Bitcoin's going to go lower. I agree. Bitcoin might go lower. Okay? Plan C. Remember that? Remember the Plan C? Someone literally made their name Plan C. That's too funny, bro. Plan C. Who had the audacity to do that? Like, yeah, I'm going to make my name Plan C. It's going to make me popular. man, there's so many cringy people in this crypto space, man. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. There is so many cringy people in this space. And listen, I'm cringy too, but I know I'm cringy, right? There's so many people that are cringy and try to be serious when they're really just cringy, okay? I don't try to be serious. I know who I am, okay? I am cringy. There's so many people that there's so many people that people take seriously too, and it's really cringy. But anyways, Plan C. Plan C. I think we're on like Plan Z by now. All right. I think we're on Plan. I don't even know. Plan K, Plan J, Plan L. We got to be halfway through the alphabet at this point. You know what I mean? BCH said, I'll repeat this again. Anyone that know what they are doing in the market doesn't know what they're talking about. Exactly. The only strategy that works, man, is, buying low and selling high. It's really what it comes down to. I mean, can you buy Bitcoin right here and it can go lower? Absolutely. But if you're just looking at long term, I mean, buying really where you are now, I think is going to be a great long term trend. And obviously, I don't mean this just for. I don't really mean this just for Bitcoin. I mean this for altcoins too, right? I mean this for altcoins too. I think a lot of people get confused. I'm saying, I think Bitcoin's a great buy at 37K. I more so am talking about altcoins when I say this. Like, yeah, Bitcoin I think is a good buy at 37K for long term, but more so where altcoins are relative to the Bitcoin price. I think anywhere here and below is a good bet. No matter how low we go, right? I know we've kind of talked about Bitcoin possibly going back down to 20K, right? But listen, there is a lot of confluence at this 200 moving average and the previous all-time high. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Now, do I think that it's likely Bitcoin goes to 20K? I would say no. But there's a lot of confluence there, right? I mean, the 200 moving average is right there. We know that's been our bottom for the macro bottoms in general over Bitcoin's life cycle, and it's also the previous local high. I mean, there's so much right there. And I'm not going to say it's going to happen, right? It doesn't have to happen that way just because they happen to be at the same price right now. Could just be a coincidence, but listen, my point is, I'm kind of rambling, but is anywhere in this range I do think is a long-term buy. The bulls always get the last laugh, okay? I will say it again, guys. The bulls always get the last laugh. The bears are going to laugh for a few months, possibly a few years. The bulls always have the last laugh. The bears might make a decent amount of money shortened to the bottom, okay? But I promise you, the bulls will make more money when the price goes back up, okay? It's been happening time and time again, right? Time and time again. The bears will have their day. The bulls will have their. I guess it's kind of a good analogy. The bears will have their day. The bulls will have their life. Okay, I mean that's really what it comes down to, man. It's really what it comes down to. I think too many people are focused on the short-term price action right now, when in reality, I'm still a moon boy for long term, right? I'm still a moon boy for long term. Wherever we bounce, we'll bounce here at some point. It's just a waiting game, man, and people don't want to play the waiting game. I've said this consistently. When people are in stocks, and this is kind of a rant alert here.
Rant alert.
When people are in stocks, they're willing to wait an entire year for a 10% return, okay? A 10% return. Think about that for a second. They're willing to wait an entire year for a 10% return. But people in crypto, they won't wait 4 years for a 10x. Think about that for a second. People are so impatient in this freaking space, bro. And it really is so easy to make money in this freaking space. You buy low and you wait. You buy low and you wait. People just don't want to wait. And instead, they sell their crypto. And then they buy back in next time it starts going back up. And by the time they buy it when it starts going back up, it's already near the freaking top because they see Shiba's going up. They see Dogecoin is going up. And that's when they buy. It's ridiculous, man. Absolutely ridiculous. It's crazy. People have no patience in this market. I see this consistently, man. I see this on Twitter. Even when we're not in a confirmed downtrend, Bitcoin will go down for like 2 weeks and people will be saying, Bitcoin's dead, Bitcoin's dead, Bitcoin's dead. It's so easy to make money in crypto. Buy low and wait. Have some patience, okay? Have some patience. Or you can leave and you can go to your stocks and make on average 10% a year. You want to go do that? Go do it. Go do it. Go into your stocks. Go into your stocks. I'll patiently wait however long it takes to make an exponential amount against my money that it's in crypto at the moment. I'll be patient. And I'll tell you right now, I will have the last laugh while you're crying and you're saying, oh, you just got lucky. No, I had the balls to wait it out until we went back up again. And you didn't have the balls. You were too scared, right? You want instant gratification. Zoom out, man. Zoom the frick out. Stop thinking that Bitcoin's going to go up in a month and you're gonna make a Lambo. No, you're not going to get a Lambo in a month. No matter what anyone tells you, you're not going to get a freaking Lambo in a month. Have some damn patience. It's ridiculous. In any other market, you don't see this crap in any other market. You don't see this crap, man.
Rant alert.
Oh, man. I love my rants. I love it. So start a hedge fund. Aaron's got balls. I got balls. Strong balls. He who laughs last. He who laughs last laughs last. Fact. Maybe a bite. But I was going off, man. I see that way too often. People just have no patience, bro. And when you say years, it scares people, right? Right. All right. Let's say this. Let's say Bitcoin doesn't go up for another 3 years. Right. Let's just say Bitcoin doesn't go up for another 3 years. Okay. That scares people away. It's like, dude, where else are you going to put your money? What are you going to put your money in stocks and make 30%? Oh yeah, that's gonna get you a Lambo. You're gonna take your money out and put it in stocks. You're gonna take your money out and put it in a savings account. That's what you're gonna do. All right, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop. But yeah, 36,915. We chilling. I mean, dude, Bitcoin did literally nothing the whole stream. This is where we were when we started the stream, and this is where we are now. 36.9. And yeah, DJ. Facebook and PayPal got absolutely wrecked. Someone said actually Facebook was going down in the aftermarket too. Let's see. Facebook. Oh! This looks like Bitcoin in March. RIP. 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 Yeah, RIP. 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 Yo. Facebook got absolutely decimated, man. Look at this. Decimated. Jerome said, gotta love those 50% down rants. Thank you, Jerome. But, holy majoli. It was down 22% in after hours. That's like a crypto crash. Coming down to the swing lows. It's not a full chart, obviously, but coming down to these swing lows. Yeah, but that's brutal, man. That's brutal. I think, but PayPal did the same thing. See if PayPal bounced back or anything. Yeah, PayPal. RIP PayPal. PayPal's down. Damn, PayPal's down 58% from its highs. That's crazy. PayPal got absolutely wrecked. Wrecked. PayPal and Facebook. And you think crypto's bad. Look at those. Look at those. Rock bottom. Coming to every stock soon. 4 out of 4 rant. Thank you, man. We missed you, bud. We thought the bots took you. I needed a good rant, man. I needed a good juicy rant. I will say that because I love my rants. Okay, I do love my rants, and the rants will probably come out. The more we stay low, I mean, the rants will probably come out more. But yeah, now we chill. What else you guys saying here? Thanks for keeping it fun. Thank you, OSU. Thanks for hanging out, man. Shard wanted IMX. Let me do IMX for Shard. Sorry about that, Shard. I meant to do that earlier. Did I already look at this? Did I look at this? Oh, no, I didn't. IMX. Let me just post this here. Coming up on your daily downtrend of resistance. So another one, man. I don't mean to sound the same, but listen, you're coming up on your previous swing lows. Can you break the previous swing lows? And those happen to be right at the same spot. Look at that. You can't make this stuff up, right? Previous swing low is also at the daily downtrend of resistance, right at the exact same spot. You can't make this stuff up. You cannot make this stuff up. It's beautiful, okay? So that's what we're watching for. Is this going to break? It's going to be big resistance here, okay? And that's what we're watching for most alts. Can you break previous swing low? We haven't been able to do in the past. You get back above this, you're golden for a move up. You get rejected, well, as we know, we got the stair step. Doop, 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 doop. Just a stair step down. So let's see if this breaks. This is the level to watch here. Okay, that's the level to watch. You know, nothing on the RSI that's telling you anything. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing on the RSI that's telling you anything. It's just a matter of can you break this, literally where you just wicked to, back up towards 330. That's literally the level to watch there. If that breaks, I mean, you got a good shot of probably going up to 437 in that case. Yeah, 437, the next highs. Or 440, if we're going to be exact. Live head shave on stream? Come on, man. We ain't doing no head shaves. JH said we are just Jordan's punching bags. I don't need no punching bags, man. I go to the gym. I go on walks and runs. You know, I take my I gotta say, I have frustrations. I don't really have any frustrations, to be honest. I guess I take my how should I word this? I take my sweat. I take my sweat down in other ways. There's multiple other ways too. We won't talk about those on stream though. Multiple other ways to get the sweat out, but the gym and walks, man. That's how you get it out. We talk about Joe Rogan, the live, I'm unsubbing. We won't talk about that, man. We won't talk about that. Holy majoli Bitcoin. Like, dude. This is ridiculous, man. He's beating us up tonight. Long walk off short piers. Jordan uses that hand pump. Oh, man. If this is the neighbor's dog, don't stop yapping. I'm gonna cook it. Oh, jeez. That's funny. That's funny. Anyways, guys. I might call it a stream here because there's not much going on, man. I mean, even the altcoins here are really just staying still. To be honest, dude. Like, really just staying still here. Let's talk crusts. I'll probably gonna get off here. So I'll be on tomorrow morning. Like we said, we're gonna be doing members only chats Monday to Thursday going forward. Okay, so I'll be on tomorrow morning. I haven't made a confirmed time yet. It'll probably be most likely it'll probably be 10, most likely, but we'll see what goes down. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and then I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow night as well, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So catch you guys there. As always, if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button before you go, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Why am I saying this like Jeb, bro? I'm saying this like Jeb. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, man. This is brutal, bro.